what is the liability of former Congressman Defensor here?
Well, kung mapapatunayan po na yung mga testimonya ng mga Marines na yan ay walang katotohanan, dahil meron pong mga mali na testimonya, he will be liable for encouraging a person to render false testimony. So, yun po yun ang mangyayari dyan. Depende pa po dun sa degree kung paano niya ginawa. So, at the very least, meron pong responsibility.
Criminal ano ba 'yon? Hindi ko kabisado
When you
yung ano yun,
encourage
yung offense na yun.
to testify to another person na mali yung testimony niya o ma-prosecute yung tao na yan, meron pong pananagutan sa revised penal code po yan.
I understand subpoenas have been
okay.
already released for the ex-Marine and I think also for Mike Defensor. Sir, itong mga subpoena na to, do they provide for mandatory appearance or non-mandatory appearance?
Well, wala po kaming contempt power, no? Malinaw naman po yan. Pero, yan nga sinasabi ko, kung talagang gusto magkaroon po ng linaw ni Congressman Mike Defensor, dapat po humarap ka siya. Kung wala ka naman pong tataguin, di harapin mo po dahil pag nagpadala po ng subpoena ng isang authority, we are somehow under obligation to appear and to shed light and to give and to answer clarificatory questions. And kung accused ka naman at palagay mo akusado ka, you can bring your lawyers. And if you cannot afford yung lawyer, we can provide somebody na lawyer to assist him.